Dear students, I am Devinder, your math sir. In this video, I will explain you exercise problem. Now you can see here distributive law over addition. You can see here for all rational numbers, I taken here three rational numbers. One is A, B and C. How can you take here A into B plus C? We have to take here A into B plus C. How can you write here C? First you can take A into B. You can take here A into B. That means AB plus. Next you can write plus as it is. Next time you can take A into C. A into C. That means AC only. I hope you may understand this one. This distributive law over addition is also called as distributive law of multiplication over addition. Is it multiplication or not? A into B plus C means it is the brackets means it is the multiplication. You know that here A into B plus C is called AB plus AC. This formula will be useful in next exercise. Now you can see here one more formula, distributive law over subtraction. Just now we discussed about over addition. Then it is how can you write just think for subtraction. Just you can see here this is also A into B C. See just think here it is I told that it is the property of addition. If it is subtraction, how can you write C? Just you can write here A into B minus C. How can you write C here? First you can take here A into B. A into B. You can write here A B. Next you can write minus. Next here A into C. You can write A into C means AC. AB minus AC. This is your formula. This is called as distributive law over subtraction. This is called as distributive law over subtraction. Just you know that these two laws are called as distributive laws only. We can use these formulas in exercise. Now you can see here exercise 1.1. First you can see clearly name the property involved in the following examples. Until we learned here closure law, commutative law, associative law, additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, one more here distributive law. These formulas which one will satisfy for this example? See here 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal 8 by 5 is equal 0 plus 8 by 5. See I told already 0 is called as additive identity. Yes or no? Whenever 0 is adding to any number, the result will be same or not? Yes, we were getting result will be same or not? 8 by 5 only. So this formula is called as additive identity. You can write this answer as additive identity. Very simple. Now you can see a second one. 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Just now I discussed with you A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal AB plus AC. That means you can remember here distributive property. That means distributive law. You can write this answer as distributive law. You can remember here this is called as distributive law over addition. You can write it as over addition. In the similar way you can see here 3 by 7 into 1 is equal 3 by 7 is equal 1 into 3 by 7. Already we discussed A into 1 is equal A is equal 1 into A. This is you know that 1 is the called as multiplicative identity. Yes or no? 1 is called as multiplicative identity. So that you can see here this is formula is multiplicative identity. You can write this answer as multiplicative identity. This one also multiplicative identity only. In the similar way you can try the remaining. Now you can see write the additive and the multiplicative inverses of the following. First one you can see here minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 How can you write additive inverse? You can just remember, whenever you are writing additive inverse, first you can write the number as it is. Is it which number? Minus 3 by 5. First you can write the number as 3 by 5. Then you can just change. If it is minus, you can change to plus. If it is plus, you can change to minus. But once you can see, this is the question as minus already given. So just change the opposite symbol. Minus symbol will become plus. That means your answer is plus 3 by 5. You need not to mention plus 3 by 5. Your answer is directly 3 by 5 only. Just why? Because I am showing plus symbol. By default, each and every positive integer is a plus symbol having. You need not to write each and every time. Just why I am saying here, if it is minus, change to plus. If it is plus, you can change to minus. Next here, multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5. I already told, for rational numbers or any rational numbers, multiplicative inverse, we can just take reciprocal of number. Reciprocal of a number. How can you find the reciprocal of number? Already you have studied in the seventh classes reciprocals. Here minus 3 by 5 reciprocal is 1 by minus 3 by 5. You can take here 1 by minus 3 by 5. Instead of writing like this, just you can change numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Just how can you write here? Minus. Here how much denominator you can write? 5. How much numerator you can write? 3. You can directly write this answer. Instead of writing this one, you can write directly, no problem at all. Minus 3 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is minus 5 by 3. Next one here. What is the additive inverse? Additive inverse. Additive inverse of 1 is, here 1 means it is the positive integer, negative integer, positive. Then you can write it as negative. Next, you can write the number as it is. That means your answer is how much? Additive inverse of 1 is minus 1 only. If it is plus 1, you can write minus 1. If it is minus, you can write plus 1. Next here, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1. How can you write? Just now I told, for any rational number, what is the reciprocal? You can just write 1 by. What is your number? 1. 1 by 1 means it is 1 only or not? Yes. You have to remember the formula. What is the reciprocal of A? What is the reciprocal of A? Reciprocal of A is 1 by A. You can remember this kind of formulas we have learned in the properties. Reciprocal of A is 1 by A. That means what is the reciprocal of 3? Just I am asking example purpose. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 100? 1 by 100. Just you can remember here, reciprocal means just you can change the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now you can see here, fill in the blanks. Next one here, fill in the blanks. How can you fill here? See, minus 1 by 7 plus dash is equal minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 7. Once you can see here minus 1 by 17 is there, here also minus 1 by 17 is there. Here how much you have? Minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5. Then here how much? Already we have learned which property? Commutative property. A plus B is equal B plus A. Yes or no? 2 plus 3 is equal 3 plus 2 or not? Yes. The similar way you can write here direct answer as minus 12 by 5. You can write here how much? Minus 12 by 5. Next one here, see. 1 into dash is equal 9 by 7. Just now we have discussed here. 1 is called as multiplicative identity. Yes or no? 1 into A is equal A only. Your result is how much? 9 by 11. What you have here, that one only you can write there. 9 by 11. Next one here. Next one here, see here. Minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 is equal minus 12 plus 5 by 6 of plus how much? See here, once you can observe, is it addition or multiplication? Addition only. Here also addition. That means this is the associative property. You have no associative property. A plus of B plus C. A plus of B plus C is equal A plus B of plus C. What is the C1 here? C means here 6 by 7. You can write here 6 by 7. In the similar way, you can try the remaining examples.